Hey guys, Trey here with AmericanTrucks.com, and today we're checking out the Hooker Blackheart 1 5/8 inch shorty headers for the 2009 to 2018 5.7 liter Ram 1500s. These headers are going to be perfect for Ram owners looking to improve exhaust flow, increase power, and enhance the overall sound of your truck without making any extensive modifications. Now, these shorty headers are engineered to deliver a noticeable boost in performance by improving that exhaust scavenging. With 1 5/8 inch mandrel bent primary tubes, that's going to promote airflow, reducing back pressure, and that's going to improve the horsepower and torque. The compact shorty design fits seamlessly with the factory connections, making them an excellent upgrade for those of you who want improved performance without altering the rest of the exhaust system and letting you keep your factory cats to stay street legal. Also, these headers are going to contribute to a deeper and more aggressive exhaust note, enhancing your overall driving experience. So replacing your restrictive, stalker, cast iron manifolds on your Ram is going to give you a boost in performance and an upgraded head-turning exhaust note. These headers are built from high-quality 16-gauge T304 stainless steel, ensuring durability and resistance to corrosion. The raw metal finish adds a really rugged and aggressive look under the hood, and the headers are precision engineered for a precise fit and feature these laser cut flanges and 100% hand welded to ensure a tight seal and prevent leaks. With their robust construction, these headers are designed to withstand the rigors of daily driving and high demand applications like hauling or towing. As far as pricing goes on this, they're going to come in right around that mid $600 price range, which is a pretty reasonable price for the performance gains and the increased airflow. The install on this one's going to be right at the middle of the road with 2 out of 3 wrenches on our difficulty meter, and you can expect to spend about 2 hours to get this job done. These headers are designed to work with that factory exhaust system, so no welding or major modifications are needed. Just take your time, make sure you get a snug and leak-free seal. Alright, well that's going to wrap up my review of the Hooker Blackheart 1 5/8 inch shorty headers for the 2009 to 2018 5.7 liter Ram 1500s. And for all things Ram, keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.